Hey everyone, Worth Hub here, let's talk React. Today we're diving into one of the most popular JavaScript libraries out there. Ever wondered how websites like Facebook and Instagram are so dynamic and interactive? They seem to update instantly without any lag. That's where React comes in. It's the secret sauce behind many of the web's most engaging experiences. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Think of it as the magic behind those smooth, scrolling feeds and cool animations. It allows developers to create large web applications that can update and render efficiently in response to data changes. Instead of reloading the entire web page for every little change, React updates only the necessary parts. This is called the virtual DOM, a concept that makes React incredibly fast. This makes websites and applications faster, smoother, and more enjoyable to use. Users get a seamless experience, which is crucial in today's fast-paced digital world. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, React's component-based architecture makes it easy to build complex UIs. Components are like building blocks that you can reuse and combine to create intricate designs. But is it worth learning? Absolutely. React is not just a trend, it's a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your development skills and career prospects. Let's dive deeper into its features and see why it's so widely adopted. One of the coolest things about React is its component-based structure. Think of components like Lego blocks. You create small, reusable components like a button or a form, and then piece them together to build complex user interfaces. This makes your code super organized and easy to maintain. Need to make a change? Just tweak the relevant component, and React automatically updates it everywhere it's used. No more hunting through hundreds of lines of code. This modularity is a game changer for developers, especially when working on large-scale projects. Remember how we talked about React making websites faster? Well, there's a fascinating technology behind it that makes this possible. That's largely due to its virtual DOM, a powerful feature that sets React apart from other frameworks. The DOM, or Document Object Model, is like a blueprint of your web page. It represents the structure of your web page in a tree-like format. When you update your web page, the browser has to update the DOM, which can be slow and inefficient, especially for complex pages with many elements. React creates a virtual copy of the DOM, called the virtual DOM. This is essentially a lightweight version of the real DOM. When you make changes, React updates the virtual DOM first. This allows React to efficiently manage updates without directly interacting with the real DOM. Then it compares the virtual DOM to the real DOM and only updates the parts that have actually changed. This process is known as reconciliation. This clever trick significantly reduces the amount of work the browser has to do, resulting in lightning-fast updates and a smoother user experience. By minimizing direct DOM manipulations, React ensures that your web applications run more efficiently and responsively. Performance metrics often show that applications built with React are faster and more responsive compared to those built with traditional methods. This is because the virtual DOM optimizes the update process, making it more efficient. For developers, this means less time spent on performance optimization and more time focusing on building features and improving user experience. The virtual DOM is truly a game changer in web development. So next time you interact with a React-based website, remember the virtual DOM working behind the scenes, ensuring everything runs smoothly and quickly. It's one of the many reasons why React is so popular among developers and businesses alike. One of the best things about learning React is its massive and active community. Stuck on a problem? Chances are someone else has already faced and solved the same issue. There are tons of online forums, tutorials, and documentation available to help you out. Plus, the React community is constantly developing new tools and libraries that make working with React even easier. This means you're always on the cutting edge of web development and have access to the latest and greatest tools. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the React community has your back. Section 5. The learning curve. Is React hard to learn? This is a question many aspiring developers ask when they first encounter React. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, the learning curve. React can seem daunting at first, especially if you're new to front-end development. React does have a steeper learning curve compared to some other front-end libraries. This is primarily because it introduces a new way of thinking about building user interfaces. You'll need to be comfortable with JavaScript fundamentals, including concepts like components, which are the building blocks of a React application, props, which allow you to pass data between components, and state, which helps you manage dynamic data within your application. But don't let that scare you away. The initial learning curve might be steep, but the rewards are worth it. There are tons of amazing resources available to help you learn React, from free online tutorials to comprehensive boot camps. These resources break down complex concepts into manageable chunks. Plus, once you grasp the core concepts, you'll find that React is incredibly logical and intuitive to work with. The component-based architecture makes it easy to build and maintain large applications. You'll find that React is incredibly logical and intuitive to work with. The component-based architecture makes it easy to build and maintain large applications. It's all about putting in the time and effort. With consistent practice and the right resources, you'll be able to master React and build amazing web applications. Section 6. The need for libraries, React's ecosystem. React is often described as a library, not a framework. This means it's super flexible and customizable. But it also means you'll likely need to incorporate additional libraries to handle things like routing, state management, and API calls. While this might seem like extra work, it actually gives you the freedom to choose the best tools for your specific project. You're not locked into a rigid framework that dictates how you build your application. Think of it like building a custom computer. You get to choose the components that best fit your needs and budget. Section 7. Keeping up. React's fast-paced updates. React is known for its rapid development cycle. New features and updates are released frequently, which is great for innovation but can also be a bit overwhelming for developers. You'll need to be comfortable with continuous learning and staying up to date with the latest changes. The good news is that most updates are designed to improve performance, add new features, or make React even easier to use. It's all about embracing change and adapting to the ever-evolving world of web development. Section 8. Job market demand. Is React a valuable skill? In short, yes. React is one of the most in-demand skills in the tech industry right now. Companies of all sizes are using React to build everything from single-page applications to complex web apps. Having React on your resume can significantly boost your job prospects and earning potential. Plus, because React is so versatile, you'll have a wide range of industries and job roles to choose from. So, if you're looking for a career in web development, learning React is a no-brainer. Section 9. Conclusion. So, is React worth learning? Absolutely. While React does have its challenges, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Its component-based architecture, virtual DOM, and massive community support make it an incredibly powerful and efficient tool for building modern web applications. Yes, there's a learning curve, and yes, you'll need to keep up with updates. But the job market demand and the ability to create amazing user experiences make it all worthwhile. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of React and start building the future of the web.